Peace and blessings. Welcome back to the channel of channels. Welcome back to the network, the network, the channel for all people, or networks for all people. We're going to be changing up, revising, doing a little spin. We're still going to try to put out quality videos, but we're just going to mix things up a little bit more, try to make the topics more varied and exciting. Not that they weren't before, but since we're commencing still with the first part of the new year, April is here, May is going to be around the corner in a little while before you know it, and then before you know it, it'll be the summer and fall and old man winter and everything again. Time goes so quickly. But I just want you to know that each and every week, each and every month, each and every year, God willing, we're going to push to make the channels better and better. I want to send my love and appreciation to all the subscribers, listeners, followers, supporters, visitors, whether you listen to the channels just once in a while or on a regular basis or in the middle. We just want you to know we appreciate you. This is Brother Henry or Hank Soul Conscious, number 4400 or 4400, back here in time with another pristine, fine, genuine video. This is going to be Volume 1, Chapter 1 of, this is a very deep issue. I'm going to be splitting this mini-series up into a few parts. I don't think that one video is really going to be sufficient to cover this. So rather than try to cram everything into one video, I'm going to spread it out into parts so that I can cover this topic at least at a fairly decent or thorough level, so that we can have an intellectual discussion with each other. This is a very deep topic that it's been on my heart and mind for a while, and having just left my house of worship a few moments ago, I figured I would go ahead and film since it's fresh on my mind. But anyway, the topic for this mini-series is going to be religion, faith, and atheism. I don't really care for the term religion so much, but for lack of a better word, we're going to be discussing what are some of the factors that cause people to believe or not to believe. What is your perspective, dear listener or viewer? Do you consider yourself a spiritual person like me? Do you consider yourself a religious or faith person? Do you consider yourself a combination of both? Do you consider yourself atheist, agnostic? Or where do you stand? And were you raised that way, or was it something that you came into as time developed? It's a very deep subject. There's no simple yes or no answers, but it's something that's very important. So yeah, that's going to be the topic. How can we respect spirituality, faith, and religion in the workplace and in our personal lives? That's going to be the topic for this new mini-series. So feel free to converse with each other in the comment section, whether you're viewing this on our regular YouTube networks, on the Brighter Black and Latino and all other positive people safety zone, or whether you're viewing this on our main Big Brother or Sister or other Big Brother or Sister channel. Even though this channel is fairly large or medium, Ibmore One-Man Army, Conscious Against Racism, Conscious Human Freedom, or the channels for all the People's Network, or whether you're viewing this on my Facebook page profile network, Ibmore other ways to decrease racism, or Henry or Hank Soul Conscious, or if you're viewing this on my Tumblr at Henry the Hard Worker at www.tumblr.com, or on my Twitter links, or my other social platforms. As I said, if you ever come to YouTube or Facebook, in case the evil women or other enemies or evil men delete my channels or take me down, make sure that you make a note of my other platforms, my email addresses. Go back to the tutorials that I gave so that you can make a note of the URLs in my Facebook and my email, so that if I'm ever deleted, you can still reach out to me. That's lowercase ggNewtime at hotmail.com, lowercase Henry the Hard Worker at gmail.com, or lowercase Henry or Hank Alpha Male 4400 or 4400 hnry@gmail.com or lowercase hnrychm@yahoo.com or lowercase ggNewtime@hotmail.com once again. So make a note of it, jot it down. Also, like I said, I'm going to try to work on getting us a temporary or seasonal text or voicemail line. We've got big things in store for the network coming up, but I don't want to give too much away. I want it to be a surprise, but hint, hint, there may be some Scream stuff coming up for the spring or summer. So anyway, stay tuned. Peace and blessings. Continue the conversation and discussion among yourselves. If you're watching this on my LinkedIn profile as well, feel free to comment in. What are your thoughts? What are your perspectives? We're talking about in this coming mini-series, this is going to be part 1, volume or chapter 1. How can we learn to be better sensitive and respectful to people's spirituality, faith, religion in the workplace as well as in our personal lives, whether we're believers, atheists, or whatever. So leave your comments. I would love to hear from you, your feedback. Thank you all for all your suggestions. I owe part of the credit to you guys. Part of this topic came from the positive comments and feedback that I've been getting. A lot of people that watch our channels happen to be religious or faithful, spiritual people. So I just felt that I owed it to everybody to at least do one mini-series on this. Who knows? Maybe in the future we'll do some more. Anyway, think right, reflect right, live right, do right, be right, positivity over negativity. Keep in touch. Any questions, I'm always an email or comment away. Have a blessed and great month. Take care of your loved ones and yourself. All the best in health, life, and blessings. And I will catch you guys on the fly in the next video. I apologize for any blurriness or distortion. Part of it was due to it's very sunny today when I was filming. I tried to adjust the camera as much as I could, but for the most part this video was still crystal clear, but there may be a couple minor hints of distortion, so I apologize for that. I tried to fix and do some adjustments, but if it didn't work, accept my humble apologies. Thank you for tuning into the network. Peace and blessings, and I will catch you guys on the fly in the next part. Peace, 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 peace.